guys, here we are, Maverick's room. I changed him down there. He's too big for his changing table. I sold it. So this is his room, small room tour before I start revamping. Not much going on. It's more of like a nursery. That's why I'm changing it up a little bit. He's ready for it to be a little bit more big boy style. This is all Dr. Seuss, like everything is Dr. Seuss in here. I'm in Dr. Seuss crazy when I was pregnant. I made these pillows for him. Like, surprisingly, he likes Dr. Seuss. Like, he loves The Cat in the Hat. He loves everything about Dr. Seuss. And I love Dr. Seuss. So it's great. But yeah, so I'm thinking about doing like maybe like a little dinosaur theme. He's just ready for more of like a little big boy vibe. So, and I'm ready for a little bit of change. I'm bored, so why not give my baby boy a new room? We've already got like this little mat that's like dinosaur. This he got for Christmas. It's like got all these cool drawers and things he hasn't even opened yet. This is, oh, people, how cute. Yeah, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy it when it's done like I will. All right, we're gonna start and put on the bedding set. It's gonna be so cute. So it's all set up a little bit, and now Maverick is gonna come see what his bed looks like. So, and then we're not done.
Oh, I could lay on it.
Wait for him to see it. You see that? Look. You like your bed, Emma? It's your bed, Stinky.
Bed?
It's your bed. Say thank you. Say thank you.
But I want my bed to find something.
So we got Maverick a bed rail because he kept falling off the side of the bed. The bed was pretty high, and Thomas just built it, so it's pretty big. We got it off of Amazon. So if anybody's looking for a bed rail for their kids or whatever, this is a great one. This is the brand.
In your room tonight, buddy. No.
That's what he wants to do.
Okay, well, if he sleeps with you, you're not watching TV.
Mark, I don't want to sleep. I don't want you to sleep in my room. I just want to watch TV. Because if you want to sleep in my room, then I don't watch TV. But I do want to watch TV. But Sissy wants to not sleep. Sissy not tired. She wants to watch TV.
Today, I received some more items on Amazon. As you can see in my background, a lot of the Dr. Seuss decorations are gone. And the dinosaur decorations are like coming in. So this is a little nightlight I got from Amazon. It was so cool. It changes colors and it comes with a remote. So that'll be his nightlight. And then I got this big old dinosaur head for his headboard. So let's set it up. What a nightlight. Look. Red. White. Let's see. Strobe. See flash. Oh my god, this is so cool. How dope is that? Let's see this. So cool. Let's turn this on. So cute. Alrighty. Everything is all done. Of course, this is also something I got off Amazon. It's like an inflatable dinosaur. Maverick loves it. Here's his little wicker chair. This little portrait we got done in New York. His little money jar, the remote, his little bubble machine. This is so, smells so good. It's baby cologne. So yeah, I used some of these. I don't know why this looks so crooked like that, but it's just the way like the mouth is shaped. But I'm gonna, of course, incorporate some more decorations here, and then I took everything off the wall here so I can start over. So all he has is tool bench and his little train track table, and then I just revamped. So he absolutely loves his new comforter set, everything about his new big boy room. And then I have this little diaper changing station. We still change him on here. But yep, I love it. I think I still have some more stuff to do, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I just wanted to make it a little bit more simple. So, all right.